Welcome to Festool TV. I'm Phil. When working with materials such as lacquers, it's necessary to do a certain amount of preparation before we can start to polish with the polishing agent and the sponge. So any small dust particles that have been caught onto the surface during the spraying process need to be removed. And for this we can use the scraper. And this will just gradually peel away any imperfections, and then we can take this flat to the surface. So any imperfections around this area here, I can then use the scraper to remove. So you can work away over the board, and then any of the dust particles can be removed. But of course, we also need to then sand this surface over to make sure that we have a nice flat surface before we can start to work with the polishing system as well. And for any sanding application, working with a sander such as the ETS 125 REQ with a 2mm orbit is perfect to work with, especially on small surface areas like this. So we can now switch the sander on, and then we can start to take this surface down in preparation for using the polishing system on here. And working with an abrasive like granite, 1500 grit, on this type of material is perfect to work with. So now the next stage is we need to remove any of the surface material that we've just sanded away. And at this point we can then look towards using the Festool polishing system. Working with the orange polishing agent in combination with the flat sponge for this type of flat surface area is a great way to start. But of course, working on any curved surfaces means you can work with this textured sponge as well. So we can use a flat one for this surface area, and then any curved or cambered areas, we can work with this type of sponge. So you can work with the Shinex. We can now apply the sponge onto the base of the machine. And then we can work with the orange polishing agent. And then the next stage is we can switch the machine on. We can start at a low speed, and then we can start to work our way across the surface. So once the MPA has gone over the surface, the next stage is to then clean off any residue. And then we can wipe away with the finer microfiber cloth. And so we can work very quickly and efficiently with this type of polishing system from Festool. But if I want to further refine the surface, we can then move towards using the blue sponge in combination with the blue polishing agent. All of these items are available in the Maxi Sustainer from Festool, and working with this type of system means that you can work in a very quick and also efficient way. So I hope this helps your understanding of working with the Festool polishing system, and I'll see you again next time.